Building Wealth Through Investment Strategies and Approaches. A comprehensive guide. Introduction. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Wondering if you'll ever be able to achieve financial freedom? What if I told you that the secret to building wealth isn't a secret at all, but a strategy that anyone can learn and apply? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of investments, revealing proven strategies and approaches that have helped thousands to build their wealth. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep watching. Understanding the basics. To begin our journey, let's first understand the basics of investing. Investing involves putting your money into various assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even businesses, with the goal of generating a return on your investment. It's a way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to note that it comes with risks. The first step in building wealth through investments is establishing financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Retirement? Buying a home? Funding your children's education? Defining your goals will help guide your investment decisions. Next, it's crucial to determine your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with taking higher risks for potentially higher returns? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Knowing your risk tolerance will help you choose suitable investment vehicles. Investment strategies. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore some popular investment strategies. Strategy 1. Diversification. Diversification is the key to minimizing risk. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and regions, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. Strategy 2. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. This strategy removes the need to time the market and takes advantage of market fluctuations by purchasing more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Strategy 3. Value investing. Value investing focuses on identifying undervalued stocks with the potential for long-term growth. It involves careful analysis of a company's fundamentals and financials to determine its intrinsic value. By purchasing stocks at a discounted price, investors aim to profit as the market recognizes the true value of the company. Strategy 4. Index fund investing. Index funds are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. These funds offer diversification, low expenses, and predictable returns, making them a popular choice for passive investors. Investment approaches. Apart from strategies, there are different investment approaches to consider. Approach 1. Long-term investing. Long-term investing involves holding investments for an extended period, typically years or even decades. This approach aligns with the principle of compounding, where your returns generate further returns over time. By staying invested through market ups and downs, you have the potential to accumulate significant wealth. Approach 2. Active trading. Active trading involves frequent buying and selling of investments to capitalize on short-term market movements. This approach requires in-depth market analysis, technical skills, and constant monitoring. While it can be highly profitable for experienced traders, it carries higher risks and requires significant time and effort. Approach 3. Passive investing. Passive investing focuses on constructing a well-diversified portfolio and maintaining it for the long term. This approach typically involves investing in low-cost index funds, or ETFs, that track specific market indices. Passive investing requires minimal effort and is suitable for those who prefer a hands-off approach. Summary. Building wealth through investment strategies and approaches is a journey that requires patience, research, and a clear plan. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a path to financial security. Start today and reap the rewards tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And if you want to dive deeper into building wealth through investment strategies and approaches, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, happy investing.